Good morning. Today I shorted AMC. We're going to look at the daily chart. AMC is an old Wall Street bets play, and I remember buying it as a long somewhere up here in the 18s, only to be very disappointed when it dropped. This is in January, when I had my $400 loss. No, it was $550 loss after no, wait, yeah, something like that. I think I made like 150 on the month and I lost like $400. I don't remember exactly, but it's on my Twitter. So it's pretty much very toppy in the $20 range, 2040. Got all the way down to, I think I sold in the sevens. Like I took a big loss on this thing. But from a short seller perspective, when this comes back into resistance, this is a beautiful short. And I don't care what anybody that is a regular person has to say about short selling, because I've been studying the stock market for 5 years. So I'm not approaching this from like a novel perspective. I'm not following a bunch of people into an idea. I create my own ideas. I use technical analysis. I understand how to read a chart. So until you've put in that much time as me, don't talk to me. Okay? Because I'm not just some evil fucking short seller. Um, and some examples, like, there are two ways to play the market. One way is you think a stock is going up. Another way is you think the stock is going down. They're all logical perspectives, and you can make money both ways. Neither side makes you a bad person. So that's all I have to say about that. So looking at the float, we've got a big float, not too much volume on the day. And over here, we have a lot of volume resistance, 1,200,000,000 shares, and then a bunch of 500 million shares. So a lot of buyers that are underwater, okay? And they may be selling off, but we also have lower highs creating this, and then a breakout after 1469. But now we are coming into resistance, and this is, will it continue higher? Will it break out? It's a really big float to push. This is not a low float like GameStop has what kind of a float? Let me just check. GME. GameStop has 40 million shares to play around with. This is a big boy. He's got 447 million shares. That's like how can like how many people does it take to move 447 million cows versus 40 million cows, or 447 cows versus 40 cows? It's like 10 times. You need 10 times the volume to move this thing. So okay, hold on. I want to talk about one more thing. So, one, two, three huge green days in a row. We've got about 100 million volume, 200 million volume, 400. This is 700 million volume traded in the last few days. What goes up must come down. And we're having a first red day. And looking at the 2 day chart, yesterday it looks like it topped out this resistance of $20. When the market opened for God knows who, it went from 20 all the way down to 1777. So I woke up at 4 a.m. because I tried to go to sleep early to like not think about my breakup. So when I woke up, I said, fuck, I wish I could just continue sleeping forever, but I can't. So I woke up. I took the dog to the DOGPARK, which we're not going to say out loud because he's sleeping pleasantly. He got to run around. I came home and I was like, oh, this is beautiful. I'm up so early. There was nobody there. The sun wasn't too shiny, like, not burning my skin. Like, this is good. I did my Scott Adams affirmations. Like, I did everything. That I had breakfast. I'm looking around the market and I think about AMC because I saw it, go up for the past few days. And I see that it's having a red day. And I see this beautiful double top right here. Boom, boom, and boom. So triple top almost happening right now in the 1916 area. I tried to short it at IB, and I'm still under a pattern day trader. Like I don't have enough. It means I don't have enough day trades right now, so I can't trade anything yet. But the funds had transferred into my trade zero account, so I was like, okay, I'm going to take a position here, risking off of 917. So my entry was 901. I'm risking 9, hold on, 917 pretty much. Like right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Right here, 917. We almost passed my risk, but we did not. So it bumped its head again. So it's like the fourth time pretty much. This, it passed it, but here it's 1, 2, 3 bumps on the head. And I made this line for myself, and I'm on the 2-minute chart, not the one. And I made this line at like 1892. So once it cracked this, I knew we were going to go lower because it broke support. This is also kind of where it broke support over here in the 1880s, really, 1891. So I'm not afraid of this because of this. Then once it breaks, I know it's going to break. Then this is my secondary level right here at 1850, whole dollar, half dollar. So I'm waiting for a break of 1850 right here, because I think it has the potential to go to 18 and even lower than 1776. So it seems to be really struggling right here as I'm watching it in the 1840s. So then I'm going to zoom in. It breaks out of this previous channel, this 1850 resistance level, right? Because this was support, it becomes resistance, bumps its head, bumps its head, bumps its head, finally breaks out. So as soon as it breaks out, I get out of this channel, I think at 1857. And now we are in 1877. So this, my friends, is using technical analysis to read a chart and not being a bozo that just follows other people's plans. I make my own plans, and I have my own risk, and I have my own fucking everything. And I die by my own fucking sword. And it's the best fucking way to trade. And I'm so fucking happy that I started learning this shit at age 30, because now at 35, I know what the fuck I'm doing, sort of. So, so that's pretty much what I did today. Super proud of myself, feeling very in the zone. Um, so now I'm just gonna look around for the next play. I've got 2 day trades left on trade zero. I might roll the dice today. Who knows? It depends if the opportunity is there. If this gets back into the 19s or even the 20s, I would fucking reshort this. Like, this is just trash to me. Because ask yourself, who the fuck is going to the movies right now? Nobody. So it's all fucking hype. And all the people that were here that followed the crowd, myself included, are probably going to want to sell to get out. But this does not mean that it cannot be something insane and keep going. But I don't think it has the power to become GME $430 because, okay, it's not a low float. This is a monster big thing. And I remember they had dilution here. They actually increased their share count. So this is how they made their money actually. They were able to, because they had a lot of buyers, so they created more shares and those buyers got washed out. So what do you think is going to happen again when all these buyers are coming out? If I were this company, I would just dilute the share count again. You know what I'm saying? I don't know anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a regular person. Don't listen to me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just a regular trader. So, but this is how I make my analysis on a stock. So, remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, remember to comment on it, and hopefully you're not stuck in this. I'm really hoping, but that's all for now. Have a great day. Bye.